Hey guys, this is Jeremy Net out here at Permanent Acres. I figured come out and check the chickens. We've been gone for part of the day, so I'm gonna kick off the solar fence quick and step over. Oh, crud. It'd help if I was actually stepping over instead of stepping into. Should have turned on my flashlight at first. But oh my. It's the things that you don't think of whenever you come out. So ain't too bad. This flashlight's super bright, and just put the new batteries in this thing. It's starting to fade out a little bit. And they're roosting. Besides Big Red. Oh, I'm gonna pause this while I finagle my way in. Ah, much better. Should have made that little doorway a little bit easier to get through. But I got the 3 boxes. They always seem to have the tendency to lay in this one over here. Chicken red. There we go. Huh? There's one. Check underneath her. Well, just the one egg in there. Come on, girl. You can go back in. You can go back in. There you go. Go back in the box. And they're really good about being handled and everything. Nothing in there. Go lay down. Go lay down, girls. So, pretty much just came in for 1 egg. Oh, man. I need to finish up that back hinge for the door on this thing. So much easier having like Sam crawl through. He's way skinnier than I am. But he got to stay at Nana's. So yeah, here we go. Oops. What is that? Oh, it's a bull. Hanging down there. So, turn the blitzer back on. There we go. There it is. One sec. This flashlight adjusts pretty good. There we go. Other than hearing the cats running around out here, I don't see anything. Most of the time we got some deer out, but nothing really running around out here right now. There you go, back at it again. Oh, straw bales are just around the doghouse. Oh, chickens re-roosting. There's where I got that ginseng bed in there. But you can, if I focus this out more, kind of can see where the inkcap mushrooms are. Or kind of like the dark spots from whenever they've spawned. I'm thinking I'm going to just end up taking the straw off the top and see if that will help the morels that not have something to compete with. But I'll probably end up doing that maybe Thursday, maybe Saturday this next week. It all depends on when my tree order comes in. Still waiting on it. Yeah, turned it down to the dimmer. Wow. You can see like the wavelengths with that dimmer setting. Goes from 2,000 down to 1,000, and you can tell I dimmed it down. Chicks are over in the corner. Huh? They're starting to get pretty decently big. But they're in that little corner there. I always seem like they knock one of the smaller feed dishes over, or the water dish over, but the big ones, they last pretty good. And there's Daniel. Yeah, the other day we had a bunch of the cats disappear, and they were gone for a couple days, and then all of a sudden, last night, all of them except for one were back. We're still haven't had Charlie come back. Charlie was our little bobtail. He ended up getting in a fight with one of the tomcats, and the tomcat took part of his tail off, so he just looks like a little bobcat now. But I haven't seen Charlie, so I'm starting to wonder if he got ate or something. But Daniel, I was glad to see him come back. He's like my little shadow out here. And then their mom took off, and a bunch of the kittens, and Daniel and Charlie, and we were sitting here with one little kitten that we're keeping inside the house because we were thinking the thing was meowing all the time, and I thought, well, you never know. Owl or hawk might get him the way he's been meowing like crazy. And then all of a sudden she came back. Man, this thing's not focusing very well. I'm gonna pause this quick to see. Oh, now it's focusing some. I guess it's just the way it is tonight. It's kind of a little misty, but I figure it wouldn't be that bad. But you see, I got a bunch of wood down. I need to get some more mulch to kind of fill in all the cracks. And I was hoping to go get one load of compost I'm bringing in, and then set it off to the side, and wherever I was going to plant any of the trees, I'd dig out the wood chips in that area and put down the compost around the tree, some compost and topsoil, and go from there. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll be this warm whenever the trees come in. This morning it was like 60 degrees outside, and it was just like, what was it? Last time I checked the temperature, I think it was like 52, 53 degrees outside, which ain't bad. I seen on Facebook 3 years ago, whenever my youngest was born, man. Huh. Those little spider things floating around out here. I was surprised. You see it? Just sitting there floating around. Can't remember what they call those, the spider balloons. For some reason, some of them hatch out of season. You can hear the neighbor's dog. It's the one that normally, if he ever breaks off of his lead, he's out here. Oh, change this over. Oh, there we go. You guys hear that one? See if I can get one to howl back. That's always Can you hear him yapping? Yeah, they're out over that way. Couple neighbors over. Oh, there's another one flying right there. I guess since it's warmed up so much, they think that it's spring or something. I don't know. Some of them hatching early. That's kind of strange. Seeing the... But we had it where it got real cold for about a week, and now it's really warmed up, so that might be what's going on. It confused them. Oh, don't see any of them. Oh well, I'm gonna sign off here. I've kept you guys a little too long anyway. Just wasting time howling at the coyotes. But I was glad to see Daniel come back. And the other cats. We were thinking we were down to one, but now we're only missing one so far. Maybe Charlie will come back. I don't know. Hopefully he didn't get 8, but you know how it is with things out in this kind of habitat here. Oh well, I'm gonna sign off here. This is Jay signing off. Later.